Are you looking for something extraordinary to add to your UCAS application? Maybe some medical experience to make you a cut above the rest? Or perhaps you want to stand out from other biomedical applicants? If the answer is yes, you're going to love BioGrad education. They run clinical and lab courses for 16 to 19-year-olds who want to test drive their careers before uni. You can choose from a range of 5-day courses specialising in subjects like emergency medicine and biomedical science. You'll have plenty of time to explore Liverpool during evening activities and get a taste of student life in a new city. Then end each day by relaxing at your city centre apartment, which can also be used as the residential element of your Gold Duke of Edinburgh award. So what are you waiting for? Apply now.